touch too. Welcome, Mohamed Amir. Dispatched boundary first. Delivery of match 2 in season 8. Ooh. Yeah, there's the retort from the bowler. Yeah, it was full and rotation of the strike. We're going about boundaries and sixes. My word, you can keep the opposition frustrated and keep rotating the strike. And again, those lovely supple wrists to allow them to get off the mark. Subtle change of pace there from Amir. Somebody with a nicely decked out blazer in front of side street. Darwin. Pose for the photographers. Bob Arazo underway with a boundary. Aimed and placed.